So we got this 92 E30 325. We're going to verify that the customer is not crazy. There's a whining noise coming somewhere. We hear it up here, but might be a diff, but we're going to see if this guy's crazy or not and confirm if it does need a rear diff. We are jumping it because there's a parasitic draw somewhere. Fuck us, right? Because we got to find that parasitic draw on this car. No fun. I could turn it on? All right, hold on, buddy. Boom. So we're gonna let Naseem take this one out, and we're gonna take it on the highway and see what's going on. So we actually we had this car 6 months ago, and we resealed everything up front in the engine bay. We did a lot of work. We got the exhaust kind of buttoned up. It needs suspension, but now what we're doing is trying to determine this whining noise, if that's a diff or a trans issue. That's supposed to come out?
Yeah. It's a BMW problem.
So someone converted this car to a manual. It was an automatic, so there's a possibility we got the wrong diff. Oh, we're getting pulled over. This is awesome. Why are we getting pulled over? This fucking guy, he followed us from fucking Riverdale, bro, and now he's pulling us over?
Oh.
It's alright, we're mechanics. We don't get tickets.
If I turn the car off, it's not going to fucking turn back on.
You got your license on you? So, one thing to note, we're doing 60 in fifth gear, and this is a 5-speed, and we're almost at 3,000 RPM. We can't possibly know all this shit off the top of our head, but we can probably deduce that there actually may be the incorrect differential installed on this car. And it definitely does not have the kind of power it should up top, so we're going to get it on the lift and see what's going on. And if you saw in the other clip, we got pulled over. We were just getting on 287 to take it for a test drive, and I know you won't believe us, but we weren't breaking any laws because it's physically impossible to go fast in this car because this E30 right now is slow.
Yes.
So yeah, this car was not registered. So to the owner of the vehicle, shame on you, man. Make sure your shit's registered. But he was cool. He let us go, no ticket. So let's see what's going on. Let's fuck with it. Just roll with it. And all, like, we're gonna videotape this, but we gotta hide this car right now.
Why?
When I tell you he just fucking ran from the cops on 287, he ran from the fucking cops. Hey, so if you guys are wondering about the outcome on the E30 diff situation, let me just rephrase this. So I may be using the incorrect terminology here as far as right and wrong. There is no wrong diff. But this E30, this 325, was born in '92 with an auto. So it came into the world with an automatic trans, and someone swapped it to a 5-speed GetRag 260. Right now, we have an LSD in here with a 411 final drive. When you go to a 5-speed GetRag 260 with the M20 B25, you want to stick with like a 373, ideally. Because the issue is you're going to have on cruising speeds at highway and interstates, you're not going to have that power that you're looking for. So we're going to take that 411, throw it in the fucking garbage, get the 373 in there, and that should make this thing fun to drive.